Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Uh, this is a new series of videos where we will mostly discuss about very important questions related to various civil engineering jobs, entrance civil engineering exams, and these will be helpful for site engineers as well, and as well as students of civil engineering. Either they are doing their diploma in civil engineering, either they are doing their bachelor's of technology, which we call BTech, or either they are doing their bachelor's of engineering. So this series of videos can help uh, most of the students, or those who are doing job, or those who are searching for jobs. So here in this playlist or series of videos, we will only focus on repeatedly asked and important questions for jobs and exams. So we will discuss one point each day. Every day we will discuss one important point, and we will just not make a question and answer it. We will go into the depth of every point. So for that reason, uh, I made the plan to make only one video every day. So it's sort of a dose for civil engineers, daily dose. We can call it daily dose. So let's start our first video for this series. Today we will start with very basic but very important point which we need to keep in mind as a civil engineer. Actually, this is repeatedly asked in various exams and job interviews. So let's start with the first point. So in this series, our first point which we are going to discuss is this one. What this point is saying, most of the time we used to ask this question maybe in exams as MCQs, or maybe during an interview. The interviewer can ask you that what is the minimum diameter, of a bar used in slab. So obviously there is a limit of the diameter of the bar or reinforcement which we usually use in the slabs. So in general we use 8 millimeters of bars or reinforcement in the slabs. Okay, but let's go into the depth. If we go into the depth, according to international standards, IS 456 2000, uh, we can divide it into two parts. As we know that in slab there are main bars and distribution bars. Okay, so for main bars, if you are considering main bars, then that main bar can be either highly yield strength deformed bar, or it can be just a plain bar. In case if your main bar is HYSD, that is highly yield, if your main bar is highly yield strength deformed bar, then the diameter of the bar should not be less than 8 mm. Okay, but if your main bar is a plain bar, then you can consider 10 mm as the minimum diameter of the bar. It should not be less than 10 mm. Got it? And in case of distribution bar, for distribution bar, it should not be less than 8 mm. The diameter of the bar should not be less than 8 mm. So it actually depends upon the nature of the question, what kind of question the interviewer is asking, or if you are in an exam, what actually the question is asking. If they are just asking you what is the minimum bar used in the slab, then you can just answer it as 8 mm. But if they are making it more specific and they are asking you what is the minimum diameter of a bar we use in slab when it comes to main bar, what is the minimum diameter of the main bar? If the main bar is plain bar, then you will say it will be 10 mm. Okay, or they can ask you in another sense that according to IS 456, what is the minimum diameter of the bar? Then you can say that according to IS 456, for main bars, if the main bar is high yield strength deformed bar, then we consider 8 mm as the minimum diameter of the bar. But if our main bar is plain bar, then we consider 10 mm as the minimum diameter of the bar used in the slab. And similarly, in case of distribution bars, it should not be less than 8 mm. So the minimum diameter of the bar for distribution bars in the slab will be 8 mm. Got it? So there is an image of a slab. So that's the point which we were supposed to discuss today. I hope you guys got it. And in next video, we will come up with another dose and we will make another video on another point tomorrow. So thank you for watching. See you guys in next video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon if you want to get notifications on daily basis. So see you guys in next video. Till then, goodbye. Take